Hello. Now, I had trouble with my hearing aid the other day because I wear a couple of NHS hearing aids, and one of the ladies in the office said, "What you got in your bag?" So here we are. Let's have a look. Now, both myself, this is my home bag. I wouldn't take this with me around. Both myself and my partner both have hearing aids, and strange to see, if she has a problem, she'll actually come to me. So what I got in here, I've got a little brush that I can use for cleaning wax out the way, and there's a wax loop. You might not be able to see it in the video, but there's a little wax loop, so the idea you can scrape the wax off things. We've got these are wax filters, wax guards that go into my thin tubes. Those are replacement domes for myself. I just got a new pack out the store. There are batteries. Okay, those are for my partner. Those are for me. I wear a hearing aid with thin tubes, so these are two packs of thin tube replacements. Spare battery. This is some cream. I tend not to have too much trouble, but we do some very nice cream that if I got dry ears and I started getting sore, I could put some cream on them. There's another pack of wax guards. For Wendy's hearing aids, an Oticon, we've got a left and a right thin tube, and we've got domes, replacement domes. I've got also a little spares pack. This is quite a nice pack of items for maintaining your aid. Of course, it's got a brush, it's got a pokey bit. Come on, open up. So it's got a cloth, it's got a pokey stick, as I call it, it's got a pokey brush, and it's got a brush, and there's also a wax. We've got a wax pick at that end and a battery holder at that end. So if you want to pick up a battery, you can pick it up with that little magnet. That's a spare one of those. I was going to give it to a partner, but she didn't want it. That's a spare strap off my remote mic. That's a spare pokey stick for the Oticon hearing aid, and there's again pokey stick. So it's a range of bits, but the basic thing to remember is always have a spare set of domes, a spare set of thin tubes, or a rick, or if you've got a conventional ear mold, have a spare actual tube. So don't be caught out. Don't wait until it's actually broken, because then it takes time to get it. Actually have them ready. When you go on holiday, take at least a couple of spares of each, but I keep this at home so I can got an instant repair kit. Thank you for listening.